Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and welcome to this little flight of Emax TinyHawk brushless FPV whoop. You do want to watch the video of on my channel where I ride my electric motorcycle to search and find awesome FPV places, and that's how I found this abandoned clubhouse by the riverside. It's just a little bit ahead of RC Airport, and when I saw it I thought, yeah, you know, I had my Mobula 7 and TinyHawk and I wanted to fly FPV. So first off, I brought the TinyHawk out. The reason I wanted to fly TinyHawk first was that it's built really tough. It's built like a tank, man. I mean, the frame, it's really tough and nice. You can crash it around, hit the walls, obstacles, and it actually keeps flying. It doesn't break. And the 25 milliwatt FPV video system on this quadcopter is simply nice. It has enough power to scale the buildings, scale the towers. It has enough speed. You can perform aerobatics. It's basically handled like a bigger quad, but just in 1S category. That means a 1S battery. So when I started flying Emax TinyHawk, I was actually hooked flying it here. This place is simply amazing. You will watch my other video, Mobula 7, which I flew here, and it was even faster than that because that's a 2S FPV whoop. Brushless FPV whoop definitely has much more speed. However, I destroyed the Mobula 7 at this place because I hit this clubhouse straight at high speed. With Emax TinyHawk, I was having really a lot of fun, and I definitely want to get back to this place to fly my TinyHawk again. I have plenty of batteries for this quad. This quad obviously handles really nice, performs all kind of aerobatics that you want to throw at it. It has very good speed. I just wish the camera angle was slightly more up so we could have more speeds, but hey, that's I think more than enough for now. With a 1S battery, the other thing that I really love about this quadcopter is that with 1S battery, it actually gives a lot of flight time. I crashed here just because I couldn't make the right decision, but hey, this is a tough FPV whoop, and nothing goes wrong. Still alive, of course. So I will continue flying. Yes, getting back to the Emax TinyHawk. On 1S battery, it gives you plenty of flight time, almost up to 4 minutes of FPV whooping, and I'm talking about some good speed FPV whooping like this one. And you can see how far I'm going all around these obstacles. Man, this place is really nice to fly FPV whoops. I'm definitely gonna get back here. More about Emax TinyHawk. Yes, the thing that I don't like about the Emax TinyHawk is that propellers, on a harder crash, propellers will fly out. If you like bump the quadcopter down or hit the floor, sometimes the propellers will come out. However, the motors are easier to replace, the propellers are easier to put back on. Basically, I would say all in all, this is definitely an FPV whooper's dream coming true. The Emax TinyHawk is simply awesome, and you do want to have one in your FPV whooping fleet. Definitely highly recommended. 2 thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and definitely I'll be bringing more FPV videos to you with the Emax TinyHawk. Enjoy!
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.